Discover and manage integrations with a centralized marketplace. Let's start with one of the biggest themes of this release, making Sprinklr easier to integrate, govern, and scale across the enterprise. As customer teams adopt more channels, more tools, and more workflows in Sprinklr, integrations become the backbone of how organizations run. But historically, managing those integrations has not been simple. Apps were scattered across different areas of the platform, documentation lived elsewhere, and admins struggled to get a single view of what was installed, who installed it, or what changed. This release changes that completely. With the new centralized marketplace, we're strengthening two key platform themes: open ecosystem expansion, which means we're enabling customers to plug Sprinklr into any part of their tech stack, and enterprise governance, giving admins complete visibility and control over those integrations. In practice, that means you now get one unified directory where every Sprinklr supported integration lives. You can browse, understand what each app does, see screenshots, setup steps, and documentation links, all without jumping between pages. For admins, the real game changer is the new installed apps area, which comes with full audit logs. You can see who installed what changed, and when, giving you the transparency you need for global governance and compliance. For customers, the impact is clear. Integrations become easier, faster, and safer to manage. Teams no longer spend time hunting for connectors or troubleshooting outdated setups. Everything is clear, centralized, and controlled. Now, let's switch to a scenario every admin will relate to. Imagine you're managing Sprinklr for a global brand. You have 15 to 20 integrations across marketing, care, and insights. Meta, WhatsApp, Salesforce, Genesis, and more. Before this release, finding where an integration lived or who changed what meant digging through multiple modules. And when auditors asked for an inventory of installed apps, that took days. Marketplace changes that. If I just scroll down on my homepage and click on All Marketplace here, I get this new centralized home for all integrations. Think of it as a single source of truth for every connector your organization uses or wants to use, because you can install the integration as well from here. Here, I can browse all available integrations with clean descriptions, screenshots, setup steps, and documentation. This alone reduces onboarding time for ops and partner teams. But the real power is in installed apps. This view shows every integration currently active in my environment. If my social team installed a WhatsApp connector, I see it here. If my care team connected Genesis, I see it here. And now we have full audit logs. If an integration broke because someone updated credentials, I can see exactly who did it, when, and what changed. This is a game changer for compliance, troubleshooting, and cross-team governance. So instead of scattered, inconsistent integration management, Sprinklr Marketplace brings everything together in one place: discoverability, visibility, and governance.